Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make this faux fur pull-through scarf. For this tutorial, you'll need 1.5 yards of lining and faux fur fabric. I got mine from Minerva.com. You'll also want to print out this printable sewing pattern from modernsewingpatterns.com. Once your sewing pattern pieces are cut out, lay them on top of each other with the right sides together. Since we'll be working with faux fur, we're going to use quilting clips instead of sewing pins to hold our project together. Quilting clips are perfect for faux fur because they're going to help us keep the pile inward to help our seams be nice and clean looking and have a better finished project when we're done. Work your way around both long edges and one short edge of your faux fur scarf, being sure that you're pressing all of the loose pile inward as you clip. When you're done, your project should look something like this, with both long edges closed, one short edge, but one edge open so you can flip it inside out after it's sewn. When you're sewing, be sure you use about a 1/2 inch seam allowance and extend your stitch length to 3 to 3.5. This will help it go together a lot easier. If your sewing machine is having a hard time working through the faux fur, I recommend using a walking foot. Now, before it's time to flip your scarf inside out, we are going to clip the excess off of the corners. Do this by taking some sharp scissors and just making a straight line, being sure that you don't clip through your threads. This will help create a nicer corner when it's flipped right side out. Now it's time to flip your scarf inside out and see what you've created. Since we tucked the pile into the seam allowance, you should have a really nice natural looking edge on both sides of your scarf. Since we clipped the corners of our fur, you should be able to flip those edges out really evenly to create a crisp, pretty finish. Our scarf is coming along beautifully, but it's not complete until we create that pull-through hole. Lay your scarf down with the lining side up and use some sharp scissors to cut through only the lining of your fabric. To cut through the fur of your fabric, we're going to be using an X-Acto knife or a razor. Using this tool helps eliminate mess and helps reduce cutting through the pile of your fur. Once you're done cutting, gently use your fingers to pull the faux fur apart. Now, to finish it off, we're going to use a hand sewing needle and thread all the way around the outside of this hole. When you're done, your project should look something like this. There's only one thing left to do, and that is to use your hand sewing needle again to finish off that open edge. Now is the fun part. You get to try your new faux fur scarf on. I really loved making this tutorial and love how it elevates any winter look I pair it with. Just in case you missed it, you can download this printable sewing pattern from modernsewingpatterns.com and get this faux fur from Minerva.com. Thanks so much for watching.